Welcome, fellow Halloween lovers. Are you ready to transform your dining table into a spooky yet elegant masterpiece for this year's Halloween party? Whether you're hosting a haunted dinner for two or a spooky soiree for friends and family, today we're sharing some incredible Halloween tablescape ideas that will make your dining experience unforgettable. Setting the mood with tablecloths and runners. Every tablescape starts with a strong foundation, and for Halloween, your choice of tablecloth or runner can set the entire tone of the evening. Are you feeling daring enough to go with something bold, like a ghost-printed cloth, or maybe something more subtle yet spooky, like a black tablecloth with spiderweb details? Last year, I hosted a dinner party, and I went for a deep midnight black tablecloth paired with a runner that had glow-in-the-dark cobwebs. It immediately transformed the room into something magical. But the real secret was in layering. On top of that black canvas, I added gold accents and mini pumpkins that popped under the candlelight. Spooky plates and glassware. Now, let's talk dishware. Plates, bowls, and glasses are more than just functional, they can be the star of your Halloween tablescape. Consider spooky but refined pieces, like skull-themed plates or sleek black utensils that keep the overall aesthetic elegant, yet haunting. For an added touch of luxury, think about mixing clear glassware with delicate designs. These glasses look stunning when they catch the candlelight, making everything feel that much more enchanting. I remember a Halloween dinner I attended where the host had these beautiful glass goblets etched with bats and vines. The glasses were filled with dark red wine, and when the light hit them just right, they cast eerie shadows on the table. It's those little details that make the evening truly magical. The mini pumpkins and candlelight glow. Pumpkins are, of course, a Halloween essential, but have you ever thought about using miniature pumpkins as decor instead of carving the big ones? Mini pumpkins offer a refined, classy touch. Spread them across the table, pair them with candles, and voila, you have a spooky yet chic centerpiece. Don't underestimate the power of candlelight. Choose candles that complement your color scheme, black, orange, or even blood red, to amplify the spooky atmosphere. You can even mix in a few flameless candles to keep things safe but still hauntingly beautiful. Napkins, place cards, and other personal touches. The finishing touches are where your tablescape will truly shine. Consider using themed napkin holders, perhaps skeleton hands or witches' brooms. And don't forget about place cards. Personalizing each setting with a name card in a Gothic font can make your guests feel like they're stepping into another world. One year, I used place cards that were tiny gravestones. Each guest's name was written in a calligraphy style, and as they sat down, they loved the idea of having their final resting place for the night. It's those playful, interactive details that create memories and make your tablescape stand out. Layering lighting for drama. Lighting is key to setting the mood for your Halloween feast. Start with a foundation of low lighting, think small lanterns or candelabras, and layer string lights across the center of the table. The soft glow adds dimension and draws your guests into the ambience. By mixing candlelight with string lights, you can create a mesmerizing dance of shadows that elevates the spooky factor without being too overwhelming. Your Halloween tablescape should tell a story, whether it's a haunted forest dinner, a Gothic romance, or a playful pumpkin party. It's the details that make your guests feel like they're part of something magical. One of my favorite tablescapes was inspired by a haunted mansion theme. I used antique silverware, dusty-looking candles, and a lace tablecloth that gave off old-world vibes. We told stories about haunted houses as we dined, and by the end of the evening, everyone felt like we had truly stepped back in time. At the end of the day, a Halloween tablescape is all about creating an experience that combines the spooky and the elegant. By balancing dark, eerie elements with moments of luxury and refinement, you can host a Halloween dinner that your guests will remember long after the night is over. So, what are you waiting for? Grab those ghostly tablecloths, light those candles, and let's make this Halloween dining experience one to die for. Thank you for joining me on this Halloween tablescape journey. Be sure to subscribe for more spooky decor ideas, and don't forget to share your own tablescape creations with us in the comments below. Until next time, stay spooky, stay stylish, and have a hauntingly good Halloween.